The first type or types of the subgraph, you can say that here, types of subgraph. Now, what is the first type of the subgraph? The first type, that is vertex deletion subgraph. Vertex deletion subgraph. Now, vertex deletion subgraph मतलब क्या होता है? If you remove some vertices of the given graph, then whatever the graph is obtained, that graph is also called as a subgraph. मतलब कुछ vertices delete करने हैं हमें. Okay. Suppose I'll write the definition here. Let G be a graph. Then by deleting one or more vertices and their incident edges, then the graph is obtained is called vertex deletion subgraph. Okay, I'll explain you what is this definition. Now in this graph G, suppose if I'll remove the some number of vertices, कोई भी मतलब एक या एक से ज्यादा भी वर्टेक्स आप डिलीट कर सकते हो. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि सिर्फ एक ही वर्टेक्स आपको डिलीट करना है. बट सपोज इफ आई डिलीट द वर्टेक्स u4 ओनली, मतलब if I remove the vertex u4, so when you remove the vertex u4, only one vertex, then we can denote it is by g minus u4. मतलब whatever this is our graph G, and from this graph G we have to subtract the vertex u4. Subtract means we have to remove that vertex u4. Now if you remove the vertex u4, whatever the edges incident at u4, मतलब u4 को कौन कौन से edges incident हो गए? 4, 5 and 7. So that edges are also automatically deleted when you remove this vertex u4. And after removing that vertex u4 and their incident edges, whatever the remaining graph, that graph is called as a vertex deletion subgraph. मतलब u4 को हमने remove कर दिया. Suppose this is u1, this is u2. I'll take the same positions here of these vertices. u3 is there, then u5, this is u5, u6, and then u7. I'll remove the vertex u4 now. Okay, now the edge 1 is there between u1 to u2. Edge 2 is between u2 to u3. Edge 3 is between u3 to u5. Edge 4 is between u2 to u3 to u4, but u4 is deleted, so edge 4 cannot be drawn it here. Then 5 also cannot be drawn. 6 is between u5 and u6. 7 cannot be drawn because u4 is deleted. Then 8, this is the graph edge 8, and 9, edge 9. So this is the graph after deleting the edge vertex u4. ठीक है, मतलब ये वर्टेक्स u4 डिलीट करने के बाद जो भी ग्राफ आता है दैट इज द वर्टेक्स डिलीशन सबग्राफ. मतलब ये सबग्राफ है, इस ग्राफ का एक पार्ट है. सो दिस ग्राफ g minus u4 इज कॉल्ड एज अ सबग्राफ ऑफ द ग्राफ g. सो ऐसे आप और भी नंबर ऑफ सबग्राफ्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हो बाय डिलीटिंग सम नंबर ऑफ वर्टिसेस. सपोज इफ आई एम डिलीटिंग द वर्टेक्स u5 and u6, I'll draw it here. u5 and u6 को डिलीट करते हैं हम, u5 and u6. So I'll delete these two vertices from the graph. So g minus u5 u6. So u5 u6 को डिलीट करने के बाद this is u1 u2 u3 u4 and u7. So the edges which are incident to this vertex only. We can draw it here. Okay, that's it. So this is your g minus u5 u6 vertex deletion subgraph. ये एक सबग्राफ हो गया. और फिर आप सपोज आपको डिलीट करना है G माइनस सपोज U1 U7 U1 U7 and U6. I want to remove these three number of vertices. So whatever the remaining graph we get it, that is a vertex deletion subgraph. That means U2 is there, U2 एक आएगा, U3 भी आएगा, U4 is there, then U5 is there, U6 is deleted, U7 is also deleted. Okay, so U2 और U3 के बीच में एज जो है वो आएगी 2. Then there is an edge between the U3 and U4, that is 4. Edge between U3 and U5 is 3, and edge, okay, no edge is left it now because remaining all are the deleted. So this is also subgraph. मतलब आप कुछ वर्टेक्स डिलीट करके जो भी ग्राफ आएगा उसको सबग्राफ निकाल सकते हो by deleting the vertex. So that's why the graph is called as a vertex deletion subgraph. So vertex deletion में when we delete the any vertex, so whatever the edges incident to that vertex, that edges are also automatically deleted. उस vertex को deleted vertex को जो भी incident edges है वो भी क्या हो जाते हैं, delete हो जाते हैं. So this is called as a vertex deletion subgraph.